Welcome to Wandering. Today, we will explore one of the most beautiful beaches in Portugal, Cascais Beach. Located just 30 minutes drive from Lisbon, Cascais is a gem of the Atlantic coast. With fine white sand and clear blue water, this beach is an ideal destination for those who love relaxation and natural beauty. The people of Cascais are famous for their hospitality and friendliness. They are always ready to welcome visitors with warm smiles and enthusiasm. The local culture is clearly shown through traditional festivals, music events, and rich cuisine, creating a pleasant and close atmosphere. Cascais Beach is a perfect picture of natural beauty, where the blue waves lap the fine white sand, creating a poetic and charming scene. The golden sunlight reflects on the water, creating pearl-like sparkling rays. In this beautiful scene, girls in bikinis relax on the beach, immersing themselves in the pleasant summer atmosphere. The marine flora and fauna at Cascais Beach is a vivid and rich picture, creating a diverse and attractive marine ecosystem. Under the clear blue water, the reefs and seagrass forests are home to many unique marine species. These marine plants also help maintain the balance of the ecosystem by filtering and absorbing excess nutrients from the seawater. The coastal road, also known as Avenida Marginal, winds along the coast, offering stunning views of the ocean and the beach. This is an ideal place to take a walk, watch the sunset, or simply relax in the fresh air. The old town of Cascais, with its narrow and winding streets, is lined with houses in the classic Portuguese architectural style, creating a charming and inviting atmosphere. The main streets of Cascais are lined with cobblestones and red bricks, creating a comfortable and pleasant walking space. Along these streets, you will find small shops, charming cafes, and elegant restaurants, all reflecting the relaxed and luxurious lifestyle of the coastal area. Marine tourism plays an important role in the Portuguese economy, not only because of its economic value, but also because of its profound cultural and social impact. With more than 800 kilometers of coastline, Portugal has many beautiful beaches, from the golden sands of the Algarve to the charming bays of Cascais and Estoril. Beach tourism not only attracts millions of international tourists each year, but also creates thousands of job opportunities in the hotel, restaurant, and related services industries. Thank you for wandering on our journey to discover beautiful beaches from around the world. We are delighted to be able to bring you rich experiences and vivid images of wonderful beaches like Cascais. If you love these sea adventures and want to not miss any exciting journeys in the future, remember to subscribe to Wandering and hit the notification bell to update the latest videos.